Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to refund on Pandabuy. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to initiate a refund on Pandabuy, all you gotta do is simply tap open a web browser and open your Pandabuy account. After doing this, you need to simply navigate to your user center, which is on the top right hand side of the corner. So once you do this, you need to identify the order and check its status. So you can simply go to the order section and do this. If the order is pending or in the processing stage, you can simply cancel it directly and receive a refund to your Pandabuy balance. For undelivered or defective items, you can simply request a refund through the after sale section, where Pandabuy will contact the seller for confirmation. Refunds are typically processed within 3 days and credited to your Pandabuy account balance. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.